Hello YouTube, Aaron here, just with a little short one. I'm going to make this one short. So we all know that I'm not professional and I'm learning, and my system app was a bit of a mess. If we go to, where did I do it? Did I do it on my USB stick or did I do it? I know it's on my USB stick, but I might have done it here as well. Anyway, so we go on my USB stick. We're having some calamaris issues, so if I extract that, we're going to look at some of the things that have nothing to do. So this is a C++ application that I've built to install the Arch distribution, you know, and my theme and everything else. So we've got all these different ISOs that are Arch based, and this is basically what configures it to install when you click the installer. And I've edited it a little bit, but basically the plan is for it to detect whether the air root FS is in this place or this place, and then it's going to put either, so you're going to use this file or this file. I'm going to try and tidy up things and put everything into one script, and well, that's what I'm doing to move forward before I get any ISOs out. There's a lot that I'm doing at the moment. I mean, it's a bit of a mess at the moment. You can install it if you select option 1 and nothing has copied to RAM, or if it's copied to RAM, it's took more than 5 minutes to boot the ISO to the SDDM login screen, then you're going to need to select option 2. I'd rather not waste people's time, which is why I put this on my website under urgent news. I think that's what I called it. So if we go on my website, we can now see if there's anything big. Been all over the place with some of the things that I type on the internet. So obviously you might be like, oh, he changes like the weather, and I'll be honest, I've been a bit like that. So I do want to do KD Neon, and I'd like to get a Debian distribution going out. But if we go to, because I have said in the past that I've scrapped them. Anyway, urgent news and known bugs. This is where I'm going to update. So if I find a problem when I'm using an ISO, I'm going to post it here. Some of the things I put on the page to do with the downloads, saying that it's all been tested and works well, really and truly. I didn't think at the time when I put that. I'm trying to do 101 things at once, you know, and I just need to get everything noted down what I'm doing. So I'm going to be doing this. It might take me a minute or two to get a new ISO out. Obviously I've specified if you have any issues on Arch, then you have to select the specific option. So if you're in a virtual machine, it's going to be straight away option 1, but if you're on a machine and it copies to RAM, then you're going to need to select option 2, and this basically specifies that. Known issues is that the Telegram app image isn't working. This is to do with a library file that's missing. It worked on my machine because obviously I must have installed Telegram. Well, since then, now I've updated it so that it just launches into the Telegram website. I think that's kind of handy. It's not 2 gigabytes worth of file. It's probably even smaller than the Arch file, to be honest, in the repos. Anyway, the YouTube app image wouldn't let you sign in. I found out what that problem was. Now that the issue is that it won't save the cookies. I don't understand what it is, because all of my other applications work. I've tried a few things. There's one other thing I can try, but at the moment I've got a lot of things to do. You can download the latest and greatest app images right now. They've all been updated. The Telegram one's been updated. YouTube's been updated. Yeah, everything else works fine. The Pling Store, I think the Mega needs to be updated because it doesn't. I had a problem where my file wasn't saved to anywhere, even though it said it was downloaded. So I don't know if it's in the temp folder or where it is. It's certainly not in the place that I thought it would be, which is normally the downloads. Is it home folder under Mega downloads? Is it, or something stupid like that, which I will change. But yeah, I was having a problem when I installed this, and it was basically that the search was just over the top of the screen, so I couldn't actually type anything. And well, I changed that just by going here and selecting a new option. But this is currently only my full edition that has been released. Really and truly, I didn't expect this problem to happen. That's why I made the update for the installer, and now I just want to make sure that, you know, going forward, that this issue is just resolved. I don't want to be going into any other issues with installing. I did initially try and get it to detect the OS release, which was the wrong thing to be doing. I did try to get it to detect where the file was before, but I'm going to now obviously just do some tests and get something working. And that's it really. So I'm going to be doing that. I don't know how long it's going to take. There will be some updates soon. I'm just doing some tests. But if you want to install my Arch ISOs, obviously specify the issue. I will be moving forward with KD Neon and Debian, but at the moment this is what's holding me back. And also I need to get my system app into an app image. But that's it people. I hope you're having a good day or night, whatever time it is when you watch this video.